Well, good. No apologies out with you guys. So for today's video, we have Queen Lady Gangsta with a quick message for people who keep spreading rumors about her and Dowey where abuse is concerned. This is what Queenie likes for you to know.
Hey, from 2 o'clock today, my belly hurt me. You see pain? You can't feel it, but you can't see it. You see God? Me can't feel him, but I can't see it. You see my face? But I can't see it, but I can't see my heart. God not sleep, you know. And some big, bad, dangerous allegation them down sit down on my platform about my wedding life, about my married life, you know. But God not sleeping. Every dog have them there, and I will repeat myself. I did not stab my husband. And my husband, you think I said thump out a teeth, got teeth thump out and broke? The whole of my lip for the mash up. The under that must see some swell lip or something. But go on, man. Go on, sit down and rejoice about my life. Life is pain. No pain, no gain. And no matter what the talk, still remember, I respect my marriage. So whatever problem I have, none of you can solve it. I God and me and do it solve it. Don't mind no.